In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a smart lock. Not only am I going to show you how to install it, but I'm also going to show you how to program it. And I got to tell you, this smart lock, pretty simple installation and equally as simple to program. Now, I've already removed the old hardware from the door, and so we're ready to jump right into it. Last installer, he did a poor job of cutting an opening here for the deadbolt, but it's not going to matter with us. We're going to be able to install without a problem. The first thing we're going to install is this here. This is the deadbolt strike plate, and we're just going to insert it. Now you want to make certain that if you see there's an arrow and up is printed right here, you want to make certain that that is going up top side. Make certain that it's centered in the deadbolt opening. Then you want to use the included screws to secure the strike plate. Next, we're going to take the exterior part of the lock. That's what this is. You can tell because it has a face with numbers on it. And we're going to feed the cable. There's a cable here underneath. Then we're going to take the tail. That's this here. We're going to feed it right through the center. So first, we fish the wire underneath, take our tail and insert it, just like that. Now it's time to install the interior part of the lock. And to do that, there's a mounting bracket we need to separate from the back side. To do that, there's a screw here that we need to remove. Once you've removed the screw, just take the cover off. Now we separate the two just like this. And this part here, this is the mounting bracket. Okay, we're going to take our mounting plate here, and we're going to take our cord and we're going to feed it through. I'm going to make certain that it doesn't pinch. And then we're going to take our two mounting bolts and secure the back plate to the front lock. Just make certain that everything is centered nicely, because it's going to make tightening up the bolts go a lot smoother. Now that we've got our mounting brackets secure, it's time to install the interior part of the lock. And to do that, we want to take our cable here. We're going to take our cable and we're going to plug it right in. Now there's only one way to plug it in. And we're going to turn it around and mount it. Now you attach the interior lock to the mounting plate with these little tiny black screws. Now there's one that goes here, the other goes here, and then there's one location down here. I'm going to test it. And I want to make certain that it's functioning in the way that it should, that nothing is bound. You also want to take the key, insert it, and make certain that it's operating smoothly. That's perfect. Now this right here, this is what's called the smart module. You have to think of this thing as the brains of the lock. Now it's important to make certain that you install the smart module prior to installing the batteries. Okay, I'm getting ready to insert our module. You just want to make certain that your prongs here match up with the prongs or the data port on the lock. So we're just going to take this and then we're just going to push it into place. Now next, we install our batteries. We install the cover plate. The lock is now ready to be programmed, and first, well, we set the master code. The master code controls the whole system, but it also allows you to create entry codes that you can then share with family and friends. You know, give the kids one code, your spouse another code, and if you ever have company coming from out of town, you can assign them a temporary code, and that's what makes these smart locks so convenient. Now we create and register the master code number. Hit the Yale button, that'll wake up the system.
Register master code. Press the gear key to continue.
Okay, now we're going to enter, we'll enter something simple like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then press the gear key.
Registered.
Now it's time for us to create the entry codes. And to do that, we need to wake up the system. So what we'll do is we'll hit the Yale button, and then we'll put in our master code of 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit the gear key. At that point, well, the system will prompt us. So let's go.
Menu mode. Enter number. Press the gear key to continue.
You'll want to enter 2, and then we'll hit the gear.
Register user code. Press the gear key to continue. Press 1 to register a code. Press 3 to delete a code.
Okay, let's create a user code.
Register user code. Press the gear key to continue. PIN code registration. Enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN code. Press the gear key to continue.
Well, let's do 1313.
Registered. Press the check key to complete. Press the gear key to continue.
Well, let's just do the 1, so we'll press the check key.
Completed.
Okay, we're going to put the system to the test, so we're going to close the front door. I'm going to hit the Yell button, and that's going to lock the door. Okay, it's locked. It's time for us to open the door, and to do that, you hit the Yell button to wake it up. Then we're going to put in our access code of 1313 and hit the check mark. And our door, well, our door should open. There we go. This is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time. If you're looking for a video on how to install a door, just click on this video right here.